Thank God, real hallelujah. Pure high and I barely even know. Oh, now that bitch.
Today is a day I see if I can recreate Stephen Curry's half court shot. Which you know Stephen Curry has an 8 in in um in his Curry. Okay, we'll pick them. All I wanna do is try a little challenge with y'all. Okay, of course they gotta get the ball first. Ah, come on, Stephen, we got this. That was attempt one. Oh, we did it on the second try. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, y'all. We did that. Oh my God. On the second try. We did that. Oh my God. Thank y'all for watching this. This is a short video. Oh my G. We did it.